And James Shaw forced an offensive foul by the tight guarding of Calvin Abueva.
James Yap looks like he's visibly frustrated.
Maybe a flop, but Calvin Abueva is very effective in doing that.
Kung saan effective itong si Calvin Abueva, he really gets into your head.
Timon na ito, kumakaripas, and James Shaw sinisigurado na hindi makakadiretso ito si Calvin Abueva. Makikita natin yung gitgitan doon, itong si Abueva at si James.
Calvin Abueva again getting one over James Yap.
Pangatlo na rin para kay James Yap.
Hindi makabuelo si James Yap dito sa larong ito.
Dondon Mintes, Abueva, ang tira, Mintes. James Yap really not liking it because Abueva is really going into his nerves.
Frustration para kay James Yap so far in this ball.